Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it and would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll be notified when I upload new videos, and it will help me grow my channel and create more content for you to enjoy. Thank you for your support. Intellectual property, IP, refers to intangible creations of the human intellect, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, symbols, names, and images used in commerce. Intellectual property law is a set of legal rules that govern the creation, protection, and enforcement of IP rights. IP rights are designed to protect creators and innovators by giving them exclusive rights to use and exploit their creations. These rights include patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets. Patents provide inventors with the right to exclude others from making, using, or selling their invention for a certain period of time. Trademarks protect brand names, logos, and other symbols used to identify products and services. Copyrights protect original works of authorship, such as books, music, and software. Trade secrets protect confidential information used in business, such as formulas, processes, and customer lists. Intellectual property law is essential for fostering innovation, creativity, and economic growth by providing incentives for creators and innovators to invest time and resources into developing new products and ideas. However, it can also be controversial, particularly in cases where IP rights are used to restrict access to essential medicines or to limit freedom of expression. Intellectual property, IP, refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, symbols, and names, which are protected by various legal rights. The main elements of intellectual property include 1. Patents, a form of IP that protects inventions and innovations, giving inventors the exclusive right to use and license their inventions for a certain period of time. 2. Trademarks, a form of IP that protects brand names, logos, slogans, and other identifiers that distinguish products or services in the marketplace. 3. Copyrights, a form of IP that protects original works of authorship, such as books, music, films, and software, giving authors the exclusive right to control how their works are used and distributed. 4. Trade secrets, a form of IP that protects confidential business information, such as formulas, recipes, and processes, giving businesses a competitive advantage. 5. Industrial designs, a form of IP that protects the visual appearance of a product or article, such as its shape, pattern, or color. 6. Geographical indications, a form of IP that protects the names and designations of products that come from a particular geographical region and possess unique qualities or characteristics. These elements of IP are recognized and protected by various national and international laws and treaties. The main areas of intellectual property are 1. Copyright. This covers literary and artistic works such as books, music, paintings, photographs, films, and computer software. 2. Trademarks. This refers to any sign, symbol, word, or phrase used to identify a product or service and distinguish it from competitors. 3. Patents. This protects inventions or discoveries, giving the inventor exclusive rights to use, license, or sell the invention for a limited time. 4. Trade secrets. This covers confidential information such as formulas, processes, and designs that give a business a competitive advantage. 5. Industrial design. This refers to the aesthetic aspects of an article, including the shape, configuration, and ornamentation, that give it a unique appearance. 6. Geographical indications. This identifies goods as originating from a particular place or region and possessing qualities, characteristics or reputation attributable to that place. The consequences of intellectual property include 1. Incentivizing innovation. Intellectual property rights encourage individuals and companies to invest in the development of new technologies, products, and creative works by providing them with legal protection and the ability to profit from their investments. 2. Protection of economic interests. Intellectual property rights allow creators and owners to protect their economic interests by preventing others from using, copying, or selling their works without permission or compensation. 3. Promotion of competition. Intellectual property law also promotes competition by preventing monopolies and encouraging the development of new products and services. 4. Preservation of cultural heritage. Intellectual property law also plays a role in the preservation of cultural heritage, by protecting traditional knowledge and expressions of indigenous communities. 5. Disadvantages and controversies. Some critics argue that intellectual property law can stifle innovation and restrict access to important products and technologies, particularly in developing countries where access to essential medicines and technologies can be limited by high prices and intellectual property restrictions. There are also concerns about the potential for abuse of intellectual property rights, particularly in cases of patent trolls and excessive litigation. Wipo, World Intellectual Property Organization, is a specialized agency of the United Nations dedicated to promoting and protecting intellectual property, IP, across the world. Its purpose is to provide a global forum for cooperation, knowledge sharing, and the development of international IP policy and standards. Wipo's main functions include the promotion of the use and protection of IP, the administration of international treaties related to IP, the provision of services to help creators and innovators protect their IP, and the provision of training and technical assistance to help build capacity in the field of IP. Overall, Wipo works to ensure that the IP system supports innovation, creativity, and economic growth, while also balancing the interests of right holders and the wider public. The World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, is a specialized agency of the United Nations responsible for the promotion and protection of intellectual property, IP, worldwide. Its main objectives are: 1. To encourage creative activity and to promote the protection of intellectual property throughout the world. 2. To provide a forum for the development of international cooperation and harmonization in the field of intellectual property. 3. To provide services that enable the effective use of intellectual property by rights owners and users. 4. To ensure that the IP system contributes to the development of a balanced and sustainable global economy. Wipo's functions include administering various IP treaties, promoting international cooperation, providing IP-related services and information, conducting research and analysis, and providing training and capacity-building programs. Its work covers all areas of IP, including patents, trademarks, industrial designs, copyright, and related rights. Wipo aims to balance the interests of rights holders, users, and the public in the development of international IP policy and practice. A patent is a legal document granted by a government that gives the inventor of a new invention the exclusive right to manufacture, use, and sell their invention for a certain number of years. The functionality of a patent is to protect the invention from being used, made or sold by anyone else without the permission of the patent owner during the duration of the patent. In exchange for this exclusive right, the inventor must disclose the details of the invention to the public through the patent application, so that others may learn from it and build upon it once the patent expires. Patents are intended to promote innovation and encourage inventors to create new and useful inventions by providing them with a temporary monopoly on the invention. A trademark is a distinctive sign or symbol used by a business or organization to identify and distinguish its products or services from those of others in the marketplace. The functionality of a trademark lies in its ability to provide exclusive rights to the owner to use the mark in relation to specific goods or services, and to prevent others from using a confusingly similar mark in the same context. In addition to identifying the source of a product or service, a trademark can also create brand recognition, reputation, and goodwill in the minds of consumers. This can lead to increased sales, customer loyalty, and a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Overall, The functionality of a trademark is to protect the identity and reputation of a business or organization, and to help consumers make informed purchasing decisions based on the quality and reputation of the products or services associated with the mark. Industrial designs are an important aspect of intellectual property protection. An industrial design refers to the aesthetic or ornamental aspect of an article, which includes the shape, pattern, and color of a product. The functionality of industrial designs lies in protecting the unique appearance of a product, which is often an essential factor in differentiating it from competitors and building brand recognition. The protection of industrial designs enables creators to have exclusive rights over their designs, preventing others from using or copying them without permission. This protection incentivizes innovation and encourages designers to invest time, money, and resources into the development of new products. Industrial designs also have economic importance, as they can increase the commercial value of products and improve market share. Protecting industrial designs through intellectual property rights can also contribute to economic growth and job creation, as it supports the development of new products and encourages innovation in industries. A copyright is a form of intellectual property that protects original creative works such as books, music, art, and software from unauthorized use. The functionality of copyright is to provide exclusive rights to the creator or owner of the work to control how their work is used, distributed, and reproduced by others. These exclusive rights include the right to make copies, distribute the work, create derivative works, and publicly perform or display the work. The purpose of copyright is to encourage creativity by providing legal protection for original works, and to provide creators with an incentive to produce new works by allowing them to profit from their creations. Copyright law aims to balance the interest of creators and the public, ensuring that creators have the opportunity to benefit from their work while also allowing others to access and use creative works for purposes such as education, research, and criticism. Trade secrets refer to confidential information that provides a competitive advantage to a business, and their functionality in intellectual property is to protect such information from unauthorized use, disclosure or acquisition by others. Trade secrets may include technical, financial or commercial information, such as formulas, algorithms, business plans, customer lists, and pricing information. By keeping such information secret, businesses can maintain a competitive edge over their competitors. To protect trade secrets, businesses may use non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, and other contractual agreements with employees, vendors, and business partners, as well as physical and digital security measures to safeguard confidential information. Legal action may also be taken against individuals or companies that misuse or disclose trade secrets. Industrial design is a form of intellectual property that protects the ornamental or aesthetic aspects of an article, such as its shape, configuration, pattern or ornamentation, from being copied or imitated without permission. The functionality of industrial design in intellectual property is to encourage innovation by providing a legal mechanism to protect the visual and aesthetic appearance of a product, which in turn can increase the value of the product and the competitiveness of the business. Industrial design protection is available for a wide range of products, including consumer goods, packaging, furniture, vehicles, and clothing. It enables designers and businesses to protect their investment in creating visually appealing and distinctive products, and also provides consumers with assurance of quality and authenticity. The World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO, plays a vital role in promoting and protecting intellectual property in Mexico. Mexico is a member of the Wipo and has implemented various laws and regulations to ensure the protection of intellectual property rights. The Wipo provides a platform for Mexico to participate in international treaties and conventions related to intellectual property, allowing Mexican individuals and businesses to benefit from global intellectual property protection. In conclusion, the Wipo's efforts to promote and protect intellectual property have a significant impact on Mexico's economy and innovation landscape.